Is it recording? I think it is. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Stinky, and today we're gonna do some ASMR boxing with Stinky. Today we're gonna go get my fidget spinner. Yeah, I got a fidget spinner. Oh my gosh, I'm too cool. So hang on, let me go get that. We got my fidget spinner right here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna. Hello? I put it in my mouth. Doesn't taste good. How do you open it? Oh wait, hang on. I think I got it. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Looks pretty good. It's not coming out. Oh, what's this? Ooh, plastic! Oh my, why is it heavy? Alright guys, I got my fidget spinner. Oh yeah. I'm gonna bring back the fidget spinners, because I don't know. Can I put this in my? Okay. It doesn't have any instructions, and it doesn't say that there was a choking hazard. What a ripoff. They only gave me this, and then this. I mean, it does look pretty tasty, though. No, I can't do that. I choked last time. I almost died. I hope you guys like this video.